Third problem, factor the following algebraic expressions. So we will be solving third bit and fourth bit. So in the third bit they have given 27b cube minus 1 by 64b cube. Okay, so this 27 can be written as 3 cube. Okay, so let's start the solution. So this 27 is nothing but 3 cube. Okay, so b, so I can put whole cube minus 1 can be written as a 1 cube and 64 can be written as a square a cube of 4 4b whole cube. Okay, so here the identity is a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is 3b minus b is 1 by 4b. A is 3b square plus a is 3b and b is 1 by 4b plus b square, that is 1 by 4b whole square. Okay, so here we will get 3b minus 1 by 4b into 3 square is 9 and b square. Okay, plus here we can cancel b and b, so 3 ones are 3 by 4 plus 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16 and b square. Okay, so this is the required factors of this. Now let us solve sixth bit. So in the sixth bit they have given x square plus 5 by 6 5x by 6 plus 1 by 6. Okay, this can be written as, like, first we will multiply first term and the last term, so we will get x square into 1 by 6, that will be x square by 6. Okay, and the middle term is 5x by 6. Okay, now we need to think of two numbers such that if we multiply them we should get x square by 6, and if we add or subtract we should get 5x by 6. So what can be those two numbers? Let us take 1 by 2 x and 1 by 3 x. Okay, so how? Let us see here. If I am writing this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, so this will become, the LCM of this is 6. Okay, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2, this will become 5 by 6. Okay, so like this we are getting, so we will keep x because x into x is x square. Okay, so now in place of 5x by 6 we can put this 1 by 2x and 1 by 3x. So let us write x square plus 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 3 x plus 1 by 6. Okay, now from this 2 we can take out x common, and from this 2 we can take out 1 by 3 common. So if we take out x common we will get x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is common, x plus 1 by 2. So x plus 2, x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 is common. So we will get x plus 1 by 2 into what is left, x plus 1 by 3. So these are the two other required factors of the fourth bit.